In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI with Microsoft Access Database and import data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring tables or queries from an Access file into Power BI Desktop so you can start building visuals right away. Before we begin, make sure you have Power BI Desktop installed. If you don't see the Access connector later, you may need the Microsoft Access Database engine that matches your Power BI bit version, so keep that in mind. Start by opening Power BI Desktop. When the app launches, you'll be on a blank report canvas with the home ribbon at the top. From there, click Get Data, then select More. This opens the full list of data connectors and helps you find the right one for Access. In the Get Data window, choose the database category, then select Access Database. Click Connect. If you get a privacy or security prompt, confirm that you trust the source and continue. This simply lets Power BI read your local Access file. Next, select your file. In the file picker, browse to your .accdb or .mdb, highlight it, and click Open. If the database is password protected, provide credentials when prompted. It's also a good idea to ensure the Access file isn't open in a way that locks it so Power BI can read it cleanly. Power BI now shows the Navigator window. On the left, you'll see tables and any saved queries from the Access database. Click an item to preview its contents on the right. Take a moment to confirm that the rows and columns look correct and that column types, like dates and numbers, appear sensible. Select the specific tables or queries you want to bring into your report. You can select more than one if needed. At the bottom, decide how to proceed. Click Load to import the data directly, or choose Transform Data if you want to clean or shape it first in Power Query Editor. Transforming is great for tasks like removing unnecessary columns, filtering out blanks, fixing text casing, splitting combined fields, and setting the correct data types. When you're satisfied with the cleanup, select Close and Apply to load the results into the model. Once loaded, your data appears in the Fields pane on the right side of Power BI Desktop. You're ready to build. Drag fields onto the report canvas, choose Visuals, and start exploring your data. If your Access source changes later, use the Refresh button in Power BI to pull in updates. That's it. Connecting Power BI to an Access database and importing data is quick and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.